the second it stirs in a figure 8, really?
All right, this is from Laura E. from Facebook. I can't believe we're talking about socks. Always loved your show, but I especially love seeing you in your house. Well, guest house.
not our house, but close enough.
Feels like visiting at a friend's house. My question is, yes,
how nice. That's nice.
Thank you, Laura E. My question is a cooking question. It's for you. Every time I make homemade mac and cheese, the sauce is smooth at first, but then gets grainy, paste-like as it cools. What am I doing wrong? Laura E. Rachel Ray will answer your question right now because she is the mac and cheese queen.
Well, I'm not the mac and cheese queen.
Well,
of course.
You make pretty dang good mac and cheese.
Your ratios from your roux to the fat content in the cheeses that you're using may be a little off. You also just may be overcooking it. So what we want to do is start with the roux. So about equal amounts. I usually do about a tablespoon more of butter to flour, right? And for every 4 tablespoons of butter and 4 tablespoons of flour, I bump up the butter to 5. And I use about 3 cups of milk or a combination of milk and stock. Once that thickens, just to coat the back of the spoon, don't let it get too thick. You don't want that to go too far on you. Once it just coats the back of the spoon, you season it as you would like. If I was doing a classic, I would just do salt, a little bit of white pepper, and I warm the milk first. I warm the milk before I add it, or milk and stock, before I add it to the roux. And I warm it with crushed garlic. He likes garlic in everything. So I'm just telling you what we do.
I like garlic.
Then to that ratio, it's identical. The amount of cups of liquid to the amount of cups of shredded cheese. You don't pack the cheese, you shred it and measure it loosely packed. But if it's 3 cups of milk or combined liquid, it's 3 cups of cheese. And the second it stirs in a figure 8, really? The second it melts in, I remove it from the heat. Don't let it go any longer than that, and already have your pasta waiting. Immediately toss it together and put it into the casserole. I have to stop talking to you now because he is that person.
Our last question is a new question from a return question asker. I like that, return question asker.
Oh, wow, I'm reading ahead.
Champagne
I have my glasses on, and I'm reading ahead. Oh, my God, you're so excited about this.
This is very nice of you, Champagne Jane. Thank you. She, on Instagram, would love to hear more about Fastest Land Animal, my new
band. Wait, I'm going to go get it.
John.
Keep talking.
So you can, if you go to fastestlandanimal.band, you can learn all about Fastest Land Animal and get all the music. And
Ow.
yeah, here it is. Oh, you just hit yourself.
I did. I just took out my left knee.
Anyway, so you can listen to it wherever you consume music. But if you go to fastestlandanimal.band, it will tell you where to go so you can listen to more of it.
And watch the 2 videos. They're amazing. You made 2 videos.
Look, this is real vinyl. See, look, vinyl album.
And there's T-shirts and cassettes. It's awesome.
Thank you, Champagne Jane.